Right. Um, since I had to come tonight to my girlfriend's house, yeah, friend's house, that I've been farting all night is late as this. Sorry, that's all. Sorry, I can't stop laughing. It's kind of funny. Well, yeah. So yeah. I could be like this. I think it'll be all night. I don't know what's the matter with me. Flipping heck. Yeah, it's gonna be. I could be fatting all night, and uh, yeah, thanks. I've had to figure. Well, I recorded my farts all night now, so yeah. Yeah, just let you know. Yeah, I'm gonna be fluffing all night. And plus, I'm gonna be recording myself. So in the morning, I'm gonna record myself again, and I can put this on YouTube now. And yeah, I think if I'm gonna be, if I can record the loudest one, you pick, guys, which one you think's the loudest one. Okay. So yeah, I've only got another one coming in a sec. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna be fluffing all night. So yeah, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.